So, yeah, hope everybody's cool. I'm actually installing a Sageworks Guitar Support. Anybody that plays classical guitar, you know that there's a lot of different guitar supports that's out there. So to put the guitar in the correct position for the individual player. But there's like the footstool, there's the cushion. I actually was been using what they call the A-frame with the suction cup that gets attached to the guitar. And I just recently heard about this Sageworks guitar supports. It's really beautiful. Actually, it's wooden. Aesthetically, it's very beautiful, and it's based on a magnetic attachment system. And there's like a lot of great reviews out there. So I've just kind of installed it. The magnets go inside the body of the guitar. You see that you detune it, so you can stick your hand in there. And the yellow tape, I've kind of found my location. You kind of, by trial and error, you set it up so the guitar is kind of like at the correct position for your height and your body. And once you do that, you put these yellow tapes there. Because right now the magnet is not permanent inside the body of the guitar. It's attached there because of the support itself is keeping the magnets inside still. So now I'm gonna put this adhesive that comes with the kit, and it's a semi-permanent situation. The magnets doesn't change the sound of the guitar whatsoever, so you place it inside, and that way it allows you to just remove this support and put it onto another guitar if you like, and that and that guitar you would just have to get the magnets themselves, and you wouldn't need another support like this. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna check it out. So far, just by the trial, it's very comfortable. It's a back saver, man. I mean, a lot of classical guitars have tremendous back pain from incorrect holding of the incorrect position of the concert guitar. But oh, by the way, this is a great guitar. It's a 1980. I don't know if you can see inside. 1980 Masaru Kono guitar. So it's 41 years old. And Masaru Kono is no longer with us, but his nephew, Sakurai, is making some of the best world-class guitars, man. And they're not that expensive compared to what's out there. Like Romanio guitars are kind of impossible to get. I guess it's Romanio's son is making guitars as well. Ramirez, Hausers. There's a lot of great guitars out there, but Kono, during his life, made some of the greatest classical guitars in the world, man. And this one is the number 20. And it's aged really well, I think. It's, I've had it for such a long time that there's some scratches. And when I was a young kid, I had no idea how to take care of these valuable classical guitar instruments. And in Boston, it kind of, if you ever been to Boston, you know how freezing cold it gets during the winter, and the radiator and all that stuff in the apartments. The finish cracked, and I had that fixed by a luthier here in New York. He also, this is a great luthier here in New York. He also builds his own classical guitars. But yeah, check it out. Classical guitar people, Sageworks Guitar Supports. It's not that expensive. You can buy, I think it's like $130 for this one. Nice aesthetic wooden one. If you just want the one that's, I don't know what this is, plastic, then it's a lot less. But, you know, hey, you know what I mean? This looks so good. It's like really wood. Aesthetically, it's pleasing, so I kind of sprung for the deluxe model. You know, hey, I deserve it, man. So, yeah, man, cool. All right.